In this video, I'll show you how to export and import contacts or email lists within the same account. I have these group members and I want to export these members into the profitable online business account. Why do I want to do that? Because I'm no longer promoting this product, but they are interested in this product or this service. And when I export and import into this, I'm going to delete this. When I delete it, it's going to reduce my limit of tags. I have 6 here, but later on when I delete it, it's going to be 5. Because with Systeme, you're not gonna get like unlimited features, so you have to use it wisely. But like I said earlier on, it's because I'm no longer promoting this, but they will be interested in whatever I promote through this. So I'll show you how I'll do it. Before I start, I'll show you something quick. If you want to export from outside contacts, I have a tutorial on that, which is this and that. If you wanna export contacts from Aweber, get response and stuff like that, this tutorial can help you. I'll drop the link in the description box. To export, I'm gonna click on group members and I'll click on date registered. It's gonna highlight everything or check everything, and I'll scroll down, but it's gonna show the number of contacts that you have, and you have to make sure it's correct. You don't want to miss anything. Next, I'm gonna minimize this a bit so you can see. Next, you're gonna click more actions. You see you have add tag, delete tag, subscribe to campaign, unsubscribe from campaign, unsubscribe from all marketing emails, and export. In this tutorial, what we are doing is exporting into a new tag, but we don't have to click export because we are doing it within the same account. So I'm gonna click on add to tag, select, then you need to select the tag that you want to import into. I'll import it into profitable online business and I'll click on add tag to contacts. When I go back, it's done. What I'll do next, I'll go up and I'll go to tags and I'll refresh. When I refresh, it has added the entire list, including the email I captured today. I imported 22 lists into this by exporting from this tag. Like I told you earlier on, I'll delete this. What I'll do, I'll just hover, make sure like it's highlighted before you select the menu and remove. But don't worry, you're gonna have them here. Hover and remove. Confirm action. You are about to remove this tag. I'll click continue. Confirm. When I confirm, you can tell the email list I added today here. Even when I refresh, you see it's still there. When I go back and I check my tag list, I have 6 tags here, but when I refresh, it's gonna reduce to 5. See, I have 5 tags. This is how to segment your tags properly, and you have to use your tools and features wisely when you are using Systeme. It's really good, but you don't get that much compared to other email marketing softwares. But I really like this software because it's simple, clean, and you don't struggle to learn it. This is how you export and import within the same account. If you want to export from outside, I'll drop these these 2 links into the description box. This is like 6 months ago and this is like 5 months ago. It was an update that I did because they keep changing the features, like how it works in terms of steps. This tutorial will help you work your way out to create your account to export and import email lists from outside. Let me go back. Yeah, this is how you do it, and this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel because I'll be dropping more helpful tutorials like this. And by the way, this channel is about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, how to create email lists, landing pages, and which products to promote, and free traffic sources. Don't forget to like and smash the subscribe button. Take care and have a wonderful day.